Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In last video we learnt about letter G. In this video we are going to learn about letter H and few words that starts with letter H. This is a capital H. The capital H. This is a small h. Small h. The sound of letter H is ha. The sound of letter H is ha. Come, let's see few words that starts with letter H. H for hat. Ha, ha, hat. H for hat. H for horse. Ha, ha, horse. H for horse. H for hen. Ha, ha, hen. H for hen. H for house. Ha, ha, house. H for house. H for helicopter. Ha, ha, helicopter. H for helicopter. H for hammer. Ha, ha, hammer. H for hammer. H for head. Ha, ha, head. H for head. H for hand. Ha, ha, hand. H for hand. H for honey. Ha, ha, honey. H for honey. H for heart. Ha, ha, heart. H for heart. And come, let's see it again. H for ha, ha, hat. H for ha, ha, horse. H for ha, ha, hen. H for ha, ha, house. H for ha, ha, helicopter. H for ha, ha, hammer. H for ha, ha, head. H for ha, ha, hand. H for ha, ha, honey. H for ha, ha, heart. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.